In this video, we're going to do a short demonstration of how to run Tacit software and do a stage 2 configuration push. So when you log into the Tacit VM, you'll be in the home admin directory, and if you take a look around, you'll see a Tacit subdirectory and a run script which you're going to use to launch the software. We're going to hit enter a couple of times to get started. Then we're going to choose option 2 for stage 2, which is to test your deployment against an APIC simulator. In this case, I'm going to choose option 7, which is my Customer 1 Site 1 project. That's what I used to create the user manual. It's a relatively small configuration consisting of about 2 spines and 4 leaf switches, so the configuration push should be fairly quick. We'll hit enter, we'll choose a Lightspeed file, we'll say yes to confirm, we'll hit enter again to load the file, and then we're going to type in the IP address of the APIC, the username, and the password. I'm going to hold short of hitting enter on the password because I want to show you the APIC. If we look at Fabric Membership, Nodes Pending Registration, you can see this TEP-1-101. This is virtual hardware provided along with the simulator itself, which you can ignore. We're going to create our own spine and leaf switches. And also, if we look under tenants, there's currently no user tenants created. So we're going to come back to the SSH CLI, we're going to hit enter, and that's going to kick off the teleport process. At this point, what it's doing is it's restoring all of the configuration for this project that I've done previously to the APIC. And you'll see it runs fairly quickly. We'll be done here momentarily. And there we go. So it took about 19 seconds. If we go back to the simulator and look at Fabric Membership again, you'll notice that now we've got 2 spines and 4 leaf switches like I mentioned. And if I look at tenants, I've now got a user tenant, tenant 1, and we've got all the works in here, right? So we've got VRF, bridge domain, layer 3 out, application profiles, EPGs, contracts, the works. It's all here. So anyway, that gives you kind of a quick idea of what it looks like to test a configuration. Obviously, the larger the configuration, the longer it takes.